Magandang umaga!
We are here in Castilla, Sorsogon, in Bicol.
For the Crab Festival. So join us today as we walk past on the Boodle Fight. The Boodle Fight you'll see in a second. It's one of the most biggest traditions here in the Philippines. As you can see, everybody's getting ready. So this is the traditional way that people get together. And this is the Boodle Fight. So they line the tables with the crab. Then we get on banana leaves, then you've got rice and everything else, pancit. And then everybody joins in together for a communal festival of eating. So as we walk down through, everybody's getting ready. And it goes on and on and on. It's like 400, 500 meters of just one big table, as you can see behind me. So everybody joins in, everybody's all together. Hello. Oh, smells so good. And we get to the end of the table.
The exhibition of Brown and Largo coming from Castilla is Central School. A round of applause, please.
I don't know whether you caught that. It's the opening now. There's something you won't see in England. Local market while they're doing this. Look. Hi, magandang umaga. Hello po. I'm good, thank you. Now the table's set. They're just putting down the rice. And when they've done that, then they will cover it up for the big reveal later. Due to the fact is that it takes time. Oh! All hands to the deck. So before this all blows away, then we gotta. Hold on, let's stop the camera. Everybody get in the picture in front. The great reveal. Oh, this is where it gets interesting. Hello. Hi. And we're right at the very, very bottom and there's still no room. Hey! Everybody's ready to eat. Magandang umaga!
Ayan, sticker.
Yeah.
Makita kayo sa YouTube.
When everybody's now ready just to get ready. Hi! Huh? Hey! Hey, sir! Oh. Hey, Kuya!
Hey, kuya.
Shout out!
Maki, shout out to Maki.
No worries.
Hi.
Hi. I'm good. I'm good.
Hello.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Soon they have the reveal. The big reveal. Big reveal. Yeah. Hi. And that's what you get when you film. And we're just waiting now. Well, we go down to the front, see what's going on. Oh. Everybody's happy. Magandang umaga! Naalis ka na? Ha? The big reveal. Galing-galing. Some of the things that go on in the local barangay here.
To your vlog. Welcome to Pablacion. Pablacion.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Handsome.
Good morning tabi sa inyo. So, ma-count po kita ha, dahil mo na kamo ang biro. Mabilang kita. Dili po kita ang mga tutuyang bisita sa front. Wala sa kabila, wala kayo makastambay na ako. Ma-count kita ha. Magkarning. Ay, sa father.
I could have.
Wherever you go in the Philippines, you have the sights and sounds of typical village province life. And this is a prime example. You got the dogs in the background. Karaoke. Just people enjoying themselves. Undisturbed natural beauty. Where people just want to be free from stress. And that's what they do. See? Just something simple. Never overthink it. Time spent with family is the best time spent. Everybody looks after everybody. And that's the great thing about the Philippines. It doesn't matter what you have or what you don't have. Just everybody's grateful. And this is my family. People gathering to go to church, local church, the bell tower. Left home already.